moments just to settle it. He's just shaking out the loose change out of his pockets and having a bit of a look around.
Yeah, see, he's just started from a standing start up into a spiral into a torque roll.
Now this has got winglets on it as well, same as the airline, for reducing your vortices.
Yeah, so you'll see there's all winglets on the ends of the wingtips there. They're specially designed for air racing, and that's to stop bleeding air off the end of the wingtip. So it's specially designed to hold on to the aircraft as he's under high G.
What sort of a rate of roll are we looking at here?
400 degrees a second.
400 a second.
It's very, very fast. If you blink, you miss it.
Oh, that really does incredible control authority.
Just too small to make a fuss about it. It's something forward. Hey, what is the point of losing sleep about it? See it all.
And that was a former Royal Australian Air Force fighter pilot. He was flying the F-18 and then he went on to fly the F-15E strike figures in exchange for the USAT.
And he was actually on Ops the very first night of Operation Iraqi Freedom, flying F-15s for the USAT.
Yeah, he was on the Iraqi Freedom. That's also the first and only Red Bull Air Race. Red Bull Air Race pilot. He's also had many race wins. This particular aeroplane having 4 race wins and many other podium finishes.
And this is the aircraft that he actually touched the water with in Canada, and he reacted, as I said, like a mongoose, instantly recovered.
He instantly recovered and was able to get back to base.
That is, he didn't win that race for sure, but he certainly did win on that day. How many people could do that? I bet he could do this sequence in his sleep.
Academy to then become a race pilot.
It's incredible to think and to watch him here today, and he did his first aerobatic public demonstration down at HMAS Albatross, just south of here in Nowra.
There's a nice negative G push there.
Outside that negative G stuff. Nice push show you there. Look at the yaw authority with that with the rudder.
It's got a very big rudder on it. Under the Cobra. So he's done a micro outside loop and he's putting this into a flat spin.
Oh, that really goes for it.
Of this aeroplane is 40 Gs per second. It's quite aggressive in that cockpit.
I wonder what the alternate loading is on the aircraft. It'll be way above what we would
These aircraft are well over-engineered to be able to withstand all those forces.
composite construction.
Complete composite, full monocoque composite construction on these MXSs. Here's a bit of race simulation for you. You'll see him pull a figure 8 in front of the crowd centre here. He's pulling up to 12 Gs in this figure 8.
It's unbelievably short distances performing that.
Hard work in that cockpit.
Everything off into one corner there. Got the controls.
Yeah, all 4 corners there.
Again, all that negative. We're talking this morning about how fit you have to be to actually undertake these performances, because any weight that's extra actually adds on when you put the jig on.
Yeah, that's right. So Matt weighs in at 70 kilos, and while he's under that 12 Gs, at that point in time he's weighing 840 kilos. So you've got to be quite strong to be able to withstand all that pressure.
Just hovering there, just sitting there.
Here's a good demonstration of the power to weight ratio of this aeroplane. It's hanging off the prop in the hover. The limitation for that aeroplane is actually temperature. It can sit up there for as long as it wants to until it reaches a certain temperature, and then he does have to then fly away. He's having too much fun up there.
Incredible performance. And we heard this morning that we can go and fly in your 300. We can go and fly in your 300.
That's correct, yeah. We operate aerobatic joy flights in the extra 300 that I was flying earlier today. All Red Bull branding on there. We can do those experiences up at Lake Macquarie.
Emma, thank you very much for that. We really do appreciate you coming up here, spending the time to describe what Matt's doing, because I wouldn't have a clue.
Not a problem at all. Thank you very much for having me. We've got a special thanks to our sponsors, Viva, who's also a major sponsor for this air show. We've got Red Bull, Runways, QBE, Lycoming, Hartzell and SFC. Our sponsors assist us to be able to be here at these events so we can showcase this amazing industry for you all. So a special thank you to them.
Thank you, Emma. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together when Matt Hall comes in.